So Chiva-Som is such a unique resort. It's got luxury, it's got beauty, it's got this sense of community. You know, the staff so polite and organized and attentive and focused. It's like the staff is its own community. What I love about Chiva-Som is not only that unique blend of luxury and wellness and de-stressing, but also you have a focus on digital detox, which I really admire and have come to appreciate, because it allows you to enter your own connection, your own body, to slow things down. So it's like you come here and you are in another island, another planet, and time slows down and you really begin to reconnect with yourself. So I recommend for everyone who needs a time out, space to think, and to really connect with who you are. So Chiva-Som, on your 30th anniversary, I just want to say you're doing such an impeccable job. This is the best staff I've ever seen in my life, really, from every human being. And I say this from my heart, and I wish you another 30 years.